In this tutorial, I'll show you how to place bracket orders on TradingView via Tradovate. By the end, you'll have your Tradovate account connected in TradingView, you'll open the order ticket, enable take profit and stop loss brackets, set your parameters, and submit the order so your exits are linked and managed automatically. First, connect Tradovate. On your TradingView chart, move to the bottom of the screen and open the trading panel. In the broker list, select Tradovate, click Connect, then log in with your Tradovate credentials in the window that appears. Complete any prompts to authorize the connection. When the connection is successful, you'll see Tradovate marked as connected in the trading panel, and the chart will be ready to route orders through Tradovate. Next, open the order ticket. At the top left corner of the chart, click either the Buy or the Sell button. This opens the order entry ticket for the symbol you're viewing. You are not placing a trade yet. This just brings up the ticket so you can configure the bracket orders before submitting. Keep the ticket visible on the right side of the screen and confirm it shows your connected broker as Tradovate. Now configure the brackets. Inside the order ticket, locate the take profit and stop loss options. Check the box for take profit and check the box for stop loss. Turning on both creates a bracket, two linked exit orders that attach to your entry. One is your take profit target and the other is your protective stop. These are linked, meaning when one of them fills, the other is automatically cancelled, keeping your position management clean and controlled. From here, set your parameters. As for both TP and SL, choose the unit you prefer, ticks, currency, or a specific price level, using the controls in the ticket. If you select ticks, you're setting the distance from your entry in minimum price increments, which is common for futures. If you choose currency, the platform will translate the amount into the appropriate price distance. If you choose price, you can type the exact level where you want the exit to sit. Type your desired take profit and stop loss values now. As you enter these, look at the chart preview lines to confirm the levels make sense for your trade. For a long position, your take profit should be above your entry and your stop loss below it. For a short position, your take profit should be below your entry and your stop loss above it. If you see a warning in the ticket, adjust the values so the exits are on the correct side of the market. Take a moment to double-check the symbol on the ticket and the TP and SL distances before moving on. Once that's done, submit the order. Click the Buy button to place a long order with the attached take profit and stop loss, or click the Sell button to place a short order with the same brackets. Click once to send. TradingView will route the entry and both linked exit orders to Tradovate simultaneously. On the chart, you'll see your entry order along with two additional lines labeled for TP and SL. If your entry is a limit or stop order, the bracket exits are staged and will activate as soon as the entry fills. If your entry executes immediately, the take profit and stop loss become active right away. The exits are linked, so when the take profit is hit, whereas the stop loss is cancelled automatically, and if the stop loss is hit, the take profit cancels. At this point, your bracket order has been placed on TradingView via Tradovate with your selected take profit and stop loss parameters. The entry order and the linked exits are live and managing your risk and target as intended. That completes the process. Your bracket order setup on TradingView via Tradovate is now complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.